Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search, then enter B660 B660 space DS3H space AC space DDR4 and then hit enter. Click on the product and then click on then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. So both the operating systems, same steps, same installations process. So this is audio driver. You just click to download and always try to download latest one. You just click to download. Okay, when you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. Now you can see this is start downloading. After that it is completed, just open it and double click. And it is completed, then click to yes. Now this is extracting for the installation. Now this is installing. It will close, means it's automatically installed, and then close it. Chipset, you first download this one and click to download, and it is completed. Then open it, double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. Then it is done and close it. Scroll down. Then this one, Intel INF installer. Click to download and then just open it and double click to launch and then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. then it is done, and then close it. So then LAN driver. So this is Realtek LAN driver, and this is size, and always try to latest driver. Okay, just click to download. We can see started downloading and then completed. Then open it and double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So now this is LAN driver installed. So it will completely install, means this is close automatically. Like that, and then close it. Then VGA driver. So this is size, this is download icon. So it is start downloading. So it is done. Then just single click to open. And this is driver. So this is extracted and exe. So you have to double click for the administrator rights. Then click on yes. After that, you can see this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. So it is done. then restart your system, and then you can see this is Bluetooth driver and also there BT means Bluetooth driver. Click to download. And then complete it, open it, and double click to launch. And then click on yes. After it is installed, and then close it. Then Wi-Fi. So click to download. And it is done, and after that open it for Wi-Fi.
ठीक है भाई कर
મારે ફોનમાં લીધા એટલે
आप डांस करवा जाता कुठे जाता
काय करतो
पहिला डान्स करवा नाही जाता
મને પહેલાં એવો હતો
अरे यार